I'm a little late to start recording, but as you can see, chat, stay away from crazy bitches. Stay away from crazy bitches. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Stay away from crazy bitches. Stay away from crazy. Nah, I'm kidding. Imagine if that was my shit, though. I'd be pissed off if that was my shit. This is my shit, though. Hold on. We can do this quick, though. You ain't ever came out and had to go to work in an urgency and your motherfucking tire fly? I got y'all right now, man. Hold on. Let's get this money. What's poppin', chat? It's your boy, Mechanical Ja. Because you see how I'm looking. I look crazy right now. It's your boy. Ain't that Ja? That gotta be Ja. Must be Ja. Fucking you up with another fucking video. Ah! The reason why my ass trying to sound energetic as hell because I gotta take this big ass jacket from out of the fucking car. Oh my god. I damn near live in my goddamn car with all this shit. Fuck. And this heavy piece of shit. Oh fuck. Oh my gosh. Hold on, we gonna try to get this done fast, bro. I'm literally late for work, bro. Time I'm money off of Mac. Damn. Damn, that shit like a body. Alright. I already loosened up like 4 of them, but you know, before you even jack the car up, make sure you get the lug nuts off. I mean, loosens so it'll be easier for you. Hold on. Y'all can see this? Y'all can probably see this. Loosen up the lug nuts so it'll be easier for you. Make sure you get some leverage. Wow, that was shitty. But as you can see, they loose. I'm gonna get this shit jacked up and I'm gonna show y'all the rest. Is this thing on? Word. If you would have told me my black ass, my tired black ass was about to get this dirty right before work, an 8-hour shift, I would have thought you was a fucking liar. I would have thought you was lying. Damn. But I come out the motherfucking house and this shit is fucking flat. Damn, son. Imagine if that shit landed on somebody's toe. That shit sounded pressure. All right. Let's go. Y'all want to see this? I'll show y'all. Damn, son. This shit is the worst. All right. I done showed y'all probably this so many times, but I always showed them in the video. So as you can see, we're at there. We're at there. A nigga like me, I ain't gonna lie, chat. I jack this shit up anyway, even though you're not supposed to. But I just find any rough surface. Probably gonna get it right here under the bolt. But yeah. And I need a cameraman. Make sure the hydraulics is on. Line it up. See that?